Need a Mother's Day gift this year? This is the cutest baby keepsake box. It has these compartments for all of baby's keepsakes and it comes with labels to help organize it all. It's such a great gift.
Don't know what to get your mom for Mother's Day? Here are 6 kitchen gadgets that my own mother-in-law and sister have loved receiving from me. This is an anti-fatigue mat and is really great if you're standing doing dishes or cooking. Not having to flip your bottle up and down to get your soap actually makes a huge difference, which is why this soap dispenser is such a great little gift to get. Now, this is a total splurge, but so worth it because my mother-in-law is so worth it. She's done so much for us, and it pretty much replaces the broom and pan and can be used daily in the kitchen. My mother-in-law is the queen of making soups, but she was making it really inefficiently by putting in the food processor, so I got her this immersion blender, and oh my goodness, she's so excited about it. She got it for all her friends. I've tried out like 3 different sponge caddies, and this is by far the best one that I bought. Keeps your sponges dry, which makes them last longer. Gloves actually make a big difference when you're doing the dishes, especially for someone who hates doing them. Now give your mom a big ol' hug for me.
Amazon beauty gadgets you didn't know you needed. This is so cool. It's a portable makeup organizer that has a light up LED mirror that can be used separately or mounted onto the organizer. The mirror is rotatable and has a foldable bracket design, so the angle of the mirror can be adjusted to your convenience. Oh, and the mirror serves as a lid to the organizer, so it locks in and will remain closed even when being moved around a lot.
So I know that Mother's Day is coming up, and I just had to share what I got my mom for Christmas this past year that she loved. It is from Amazon, and it is this capsule letters message in a bottle. And in each of these pills has a little piece of paper where you can write a message. And not only did I get her kids and her husband to write one, but I got her coworkers, her friends, and all of our relatives to pitch in and give us a message. So she had no idea, and she cried when she opened it. And as she opened up each of these pills, she cried probably every time and told me that it was the best gift she's ever gotten. So if your mom is really sentimental and she deserves something like very sweet like this that will last such a long time and she can keep forever, I definitely suggest buying her one of these.
Random Amazon products you might need. No, seriously, this is amazing. If you got someone who you love in your life, stick your hands in this goop. Anniversaries, Valentine's Day, I don't care. You stick your hands in, you fill it up with this mold, you peel away the layers, and guess what? This is gonna last a whole lot longer than those roses you were thinking about.
Mother's Day gift ideas from Amazon, part 1. This heated foot bath massager feels just like you're at a spa. It has 16 removable massage rollers, and it also has temperature control and a vibration mode. And this 3-in-1 facial steamer is also a must-have. It's great for opening up your pores before applying your skincare, and it also works as a humidifier and a towel warmer. It even comes with an extraction kit for blackheads. And this electric wine opener is a perfect gift for any moms out there who enjoy a glass of wine. It opens up to 30 bottles on a single charge, and it easily removes your corks in seconds. Everything's linked in my bio under Amazon faves and then Mother's Day gifts.
Best gifts under $40. First, this book, you can see what you love about your mom, box of chocolates, bath bombs, back massager, initial name necklace, bath caddy, and birthstone bracelet.
Amazon gift ideas for your mom. A set of silk pillowcases, $8.99, 23 colors, and it's so much better for your hair and your skin. Any kind of cool kitchen thing. This is a pasta strainer, and honestly, it just looks so cool. Like, I'd be excited to use that. And I can't even cook. So my mom personally, she loves blankets. She's always cold, and you really can't go wrong with a nice blanket. Also, my mom works from her computer, and she's always cold, so like a mouse warmer and a hand warmer that, like, you can see the picture. Cozy slippers, I really love these, and they're so cute. You could even throw them in with a pajama set, another thing my mom would love to get. This one's a bit bigger of a gift, but you can get an air fryer or any kind of kitchen thing, like a mixer, and if you have like siblings, you could totally split the price with them. Some reusable cotton rounds to take off your makeup with or just do your skincare. They're like $7.64 for this. A nice smelling lotion. Once again, you can't go wrong. And I promise you guys, my mom tells me this every year that she'd rather something like handmade or sentimental. Also, I don't know if this helps, but this year my mom is asking for a hair straightener. Okay, bye.
I have literally cut my cleaning time in half with this product. This is the Tinco iFloor 3, and it's a mop and a vacuum all in one. I have a puppy, so I'm constantly cleaning up after hair, food crumbs, spills, things like that. And the suction on this is amazing. The Tinco also has an LED display that tells you if there are things like blockages or if it needs to be charged. The best part is that it's cordless and it's super lightweight, so it's very hassle-free when you need to clean your floors. It also separates the dirty water from the clean water, so you're always using fresh water on your floor. It also charges super conveniently on its dock and has a self-cleaning mode to wash the roller attachment. Tinco is currently running a campaign called Save the Socks until April 9th, so check the link in my bio to enter for a chance to win your own.
Amazon gift ideas part 1. This compact portable hair dryer. This wireless keyboard with a built-in stand that hooks up to your computer, tablet, or phone. These square Blair Waldorf-inspired wine glasses. This shelf that clips onto the side of your bed. A purse organizer. And lastly, this portable charger that plugs right into your phone without any extra wires.
This towel warmer is about to become your new best friend. It is amazing. There's nothing better than coming out of the shower to a nice warm towel. You can also use it for your robes, your throw blankets, your pajamas, your baby's towels for when they get out of the bath. There's different heat settings and it keeps everything so warm and so cozy.
I've got a gift idea to share today. So we're looking at this gel manicure set from Amazon and it's only $37.99. It comes with instructions, a whole bunch of tools, an LED lamp, cuticle oil, top coats, and all these colors.
Amazon gadgets you need. This touchscreen toaster is basically from the future. It has different settings for all the things you may want to toast, like waffles, English muffins, bagels, and even Pop-Tarts. You can choose whether the item is fresh or frozen, and there's a scale of 1 to 7 of how toasted you want it. It even gives you a picture example. The screen has a countdown of when it's ready. It cooks exactly the way you want it every single time.
Alright cuties, here's an Amazon hair gadget you totally need in your life. Raise your hand if you're constantly losing all of your bobby pins and hair clips. This is a super strong magnetic hair clip holder. It catches all of your bobby pins when you throw them into the bowl, and it makes finding them on the floor so much easier. Click the link in my bio to get this.
Okay, this is a total must-have for all you makeup lovers out there. This is an automatic makeup brush cleaner that cleans and dries your brushes within seconds. All you do is fill the base with a little bit of your favorite makeup brush cleanser and then add a little bit of water as well. It comes with 8 different sized brush attachments to fit any brush that you have. Just attach your brush, and then after you've dipped your brush in the liquid cleanser, rinse off your brush and then spin to dry. It cleans any size brush in seriously seconds, and my favorite part is that it's dry instantly so you can use your brush again right away. I couldn't believe how dirty this water was. All these brushes cleaned and dried in no time. 3 of my favorite tools I've been loving to style my hair lately. First up is the Bedhead Wave Artist, and I love how this gives you such soft, beachy waves that last all day long. I shared this one on my page recently, and a ton of you said you love this one as well. Next up is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. You might have already heard about this one. It's been insanely popular this year, but it's seriously for good reason. It cuts your drying time in half and gives you such great shine. And one of my newest favorite tools is this Hot Tools Extra Long Tapered Curling Wand. I wanted a longer one than the one I was currently using because my hair's been growing like crazy lately. I think it's the longest it's ever been. So I loved the extra length on this one, and I love that it comes with temperature control. Okay, so I'm dying to know which of these 3 looks is your favorite. Comment below.
This is guaranteed to be the yummiest Amazon package you'll receive. If you are a fan of Milk Bar and their treats, then today is your lucky day because they're now available on Amazon. I love all of their treats, but I'm especially excited about their truffle crumb cakes that are so good. They're like a crumbly outside with a soft, cakey inside and come in a few different flavors. They also have their famous cookies available on Amazon that are all super yummy, and you would honestly think that these just came straight from the oven because they are still so soft. But I love that I don't have to wait till I'm in New York to go to Milk Bar. I can just order them off Amazon, so go do yourself a favor and order some treats.
Gadgets you didn't know you needed. This is a touchless motion-centered vacuum. The infrared technology automatically activates and picks up dirt. You can just sweep it by and it vacuums. No more bending down with an old dustpan to realize half of it is slipped underneath. This vacuum is made to sit in areas where dirt, pet hair, and other scraps accumulate. Perfect for anything from kitchens, offices, to hair salons. It also has a bagless canister that you can simply dump when full.
Amazon at-home workout gadgets you didn't know you needed. This kettlebell is like no other. It has adjustable and removable weight plates to suit your workout preferences. This kettlebell can conveniently be adjusted from 5 to 8, 9, or 12 pounds by pressing on the tabs and twisting off the weight plates. I love this because it takes up less space than a full kettlebell set, and it has a comfortable handle.
Amazon favorites part 1, beauty edition, my babies. I love this carousel because it holds some of my essentials that I use on a daily basis, so it's easily accessible and it's so pretty. This mini Bluetooth remote for your phone is definitely a bad bitch purchase because you can take your own boomerangs, photos, and videos without a self-timer. Oh, look, another bad bitch purchase. If you take photos and videos on your phone, this is a must-have. It goes horizontal, vertical, back, forth, up, down. It's super weighted and durable. I love it so much. I use this rose-colored phone stand when I'm doing makeup to watch stuff every day, and it has a hole for the charger so it doesn't get in the way. Oh shit, that rhymes. This rechargeable mini fan is awesome for when you get hot doing your makeup. You can set it on your desk. It has 3 settings. You can also open it up and dry your gorgeous face after setting spray. These black velvet scrunchies are everything. I wear them every day. I've had them for over a year, and they get really large and they don't leave any dents. Comes in a 6-pack. This 2-pack wax pen is awesome if you use rhinestones on your looks because it easily picks it up.
Here are some of my favorite Amazon beauty finds and accessories. These blue light glasses are so good. They protect your eyes from looking at the screen. These are the best blenders ever. They're $8.99 for a pack of 5. I absolutely love these hair ties. They're the only ones I use. They don't leave any creases in your hair at all. This eyelash primer is so good. It gives your eyelashes so much volume and makes them so long. These claw clips are so cute and they come in a pack of 4.
Just updating my Amazon finds. This is my new favorite. It's a compact mirror. It's also lighted. One of the mirrors is magnified. There's a USB outlet. To top it off, it's also a portable charger. I'm obsessed with these. 8 headbands that I use for skincare or just like to pull my hair back at night for $12. And they're super nice. My rose quartz eye mask. It's literally so perfect. It feels so good on your face. My rose quartz roller. My jelly ball cleanser. I have no idea how I ever lived without this face mister. Kip doesn't know how she lived without it either. I always have these lip masks, but I just got them in this pretty pink color. This blush stamp blends super easy. I'll never be without my Glossy Pop. Then there's gloss on the bottom.